3, 2, 1.
In a dehydration reaction, what is removed as two monomers are joined together? The answer is D, water. What was the name that Hugh Hefner initially intended to give to Playboy magazine? The answer is A, Stag Party. What Nicaraguan lake covers an amazing area of 3,255 square miles? The answer is D, Lake Nicaragua. What is the study of the structure of atoms called? The answer is D, particle physics. Which city used to be called Zinigamezawa? The answer is D, Hakodate. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? The answer is B, Everest. A type of chair with a high, rounded back is called? The answer is A, barrel chair. RNA and DNA are types of what biochemical compounds containing the elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus? The answer is B, nucleic acids. Which two traits would best distinguish a bird from other vertebrates? The answer is C, feathers and wings. In baseball, what is the strike zone? The answer is B, armpit to waist height. Name the capital of DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. The answer is A, Kinshasa. Which psychological term refers to the process of unintentionally remembering something incorrectly? The answer is C, recall error. What is the name of the main character in the 2006 third-person shooter Gears of War? The answer is C, Marcus Phoenix. What carries the instructions from the nucleus to the cytoplasm? The answer is C, messenger RNA. A telescope is used to observe what? The answer is A, heavenly bodies. Which likely occurs in the digestive system? The answer is A, Twinkies are converted to usable material. What do historians call the period of 1730–1759 in American history? The answer is A, the Great Awakening. What type of behavior occurs naturally in all animals of a given species? The answer is C, innate. Which item of clothing was traditionally worn by samurais? The answer is B, sash. Comedian Ron White has a famous nickname that he mentions during the Blue Collar Comedy Tour and also on his albums. What is that delicious nickname? The answer is D. Tater salad. What is the result when you multiply prime numbers 7 and 13? The answer is B. 91. What are substances that provide hydrogen ions H+ and lower pH? The answer is D. Acids. What is the title of the national anthem of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam? The answer is B. Army March. What appliance can be used for both heating and cooling? The answer is A. Refrigerator. What is a large table used as the main dining table in a formal setting, typically with 6 to 12 chairs around it? The answer is A. Dining table. Long before Kevin Harvick won both million-dollar events in one season, he was known as what? The answer is B. Happy. Some plant cells are coated in a waxy layer that prevents water loss. This specialization is found in which plant cells? The answer is C. Cells on the plant surface. Why is it that the moon can sometimes be seen during the day as well as at night? The answer is A. The moon reflects light from the sun all the time. Oxygen and what are required for rust to form? The answer is B. Water. Which book is about a boy who discovers he is a wizard? The answer is C. Harry Potter. What is the economic concept where resources are allocated to meet the needs of many individuals in the most efficient way possible? The answer is A. Market failure. Who wrote Being and Nothingness? The answer is B. Jean-Paul Sartre. Which one of these sea mammals is not in the endangered species lists? The answer is C. Pilot whale. What is the debut album by Lindsay Lohan, released on December 7, 2004? The answer is A. Speak. What is the word for a young shark? The answer is A. pup. Which battle was fought at the Alamo in Texas? The answer is A. Battle of Stalingrad. Which of these words means loose hemp or jute fiber, occasionally treated with pitch or tar? The answer is D. Oakum. What does a seed contain stored food for? The answer is D. Flora. Which U.S. state has been nicknamed the mother of presidents? The answer is A, Virginia. The word goblin is probably derived from a Latin word which means what? The answer is D, robe. As the amount of water a plant receives increases, what will usually happen with it? The answer is D, expanded proportions. Which natural event occurs with the most frequency? The answer is A, sunrise. What type of art is a sculpture made from a single piece of stone? The answer is D, monolithic. What is used for measuring angles? The answer is A, protractor. What type of shoe is a loafer? The answer is D, slipper. The capital city of New Zealand is? The answer is A, Wellington. Who has the most tattoos in the world? The answer is A, Lee Tyrrell. Which is the film directed by Martin Campbell, produced by Doug Claiborne and David Foster, with Antonio Banderas as the main character? The answer is D, The Mask of Zorro. Carnivores are animals that eat other animals. The word carnivore is derived from Latin and literally means this. The answer is A, meat eater. Who won the 2020 NBA championship?